Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to change your language settings with Pencil. In Spaces, to change your language settings, you are going to navigate to the three dots at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and you'll see Languages. Here you will get a list of all the languages Pencil Spaces supports. If you would like to change your language setting, find the language you wish to change it to, and click on it. Your page will automatically be updated with the language change. If you would like to change your language settings in the Pencil homepage, go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and select the language box. Here you will see a list of all the languages that Pencil supports in their learning management system. Find the language you wish to change it to and click on it. Your page will automatically be updated with the language changes. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right-hand corner of your screen.